I'm Trip.
And I'm Ash.
And this is our Ford Transit conversion build.
Come join us on our adventures.
Wow. Hey, welcome back everybody. Today on our transit conversion Vanlife van build thingy, we're working on the floor. Cut up some of this foam insulation and fill in these gaps. I guess last thing you saw was I was working on the wiring, which I can't go too much further until later, until we got floor and a wall and part of the bed made. So until then we gotta walk in the floor. Have a place to stand. So we got all the foam floor laid down, filled in all the grooves as much as we can, and taped it all down with some foil tape. Starting to look good. Next we need to actually lay out our boards. So thin plywood I'm going to lay out. It'll be our subflooring, I guess. So I'm sure you can lay down on that and get a tan.
Well, if it had direct sunlight.
This is our thin piece of wood that we're putting on the floor. Now we got my measurements for the first piece. Now we just have to cut it. Cut it with your hand, like Judy chop.
And you got your Judy chop, all right. You got your karate chop, and you got your ninja chop.
Floor.
Yay!
After we get the other pieces down, we're also going to put laminate flooring down, make it look nice. That's why I went with just this thin piece, because there's going to be thicker wood that goes on top. So we got all the floor panels cut out and laid out. We still have to screw them down. Probably do that tomorrow. Most of this you're not going to be able to see anyway once we put the laminate down. But unfortunately we're running out of daylight, so we're going to have to continue this tomorrow.
Another day.
But first we probably have to run by Lowe's.
Okay, we gotta choose the laminate wood that we want to put down.
Hey, it's the next day. Time to walk on the van again. What are you doing in here?
We've got vinyl!
Yay! So we went and picked up some new flooring today. Also some other odds and ends. Hopefully we bought enough.
Eh.
Which we should have enough to do the front portion of the van. The main area that we're worried about.
I've been cutting it close, but I think we'll be alright.
Have you ever messed with this stuff?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
I haven't either.
Something similar. But, I mean, it should be easy enough. You know, you line them up, snap them in place, speed them with the rubber mallet. Surely we can handle
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
it if we've done all this other stuff.
I can beat things.
Should be easy.
You can pull a Jeremy Clarkson and beat it with a hammer.
I'm good at beating things with hammers.
So one of the first things we need to do today is screw these pieces of wood down. Make sure they're secure. Not moving around.
What are you doing now?
Making holes. Making a pilot hole, twist screw, putting in some self-tapping screws with my drill. It's always handy to have multiple tools. That way you can not constantly switching bits. Work a lot faster.
More efficiently.
Hey look, you're distracting me. I didn't finish my pilot hole.
Uh-oh, my bad.
You're making a mess.
No. Hey,
What?
foam's hard to use.
It's not whipped cream.
I don't know, it sure tastes pretty good.
Okay, all the boards are down. We foamed it, cleaned the foam up a little bit, added a board up here. Now it's time to start laying down the floor. All the pretty stuff.
Hide all this mess.
Okay, we got all the vinyl floor laid down. Looking good. Not bad for my first time. Our first time. She feels solid. If you're wondering why we didn't do that portion, it's because that's the garage. It's gonna be underneath the bed. Not gonna be able to see it. And we're gonna put the rubber mat that was in here back there.
Yeah, a little bit more versatile for what we'll have in the garage anyway. So, something that we don't mind getting scratched up.
Nasty and spills things on. We also need to buy some trim pieces for the front and back. Make it look a little nicer. Okay, we cut out that rubber piece. Got it to fit. Now we have a garage floor.
Durable.
Right now you're in the kitchen?
Yep.
Or living room? Now you're in the garage.
Kitchen, living room, garage, and bed.
Yeah, bedroom.
And bedding area.
Well, half of you is in the bedroom.
Yep. Half up here, bedroom, garage.
Okay, we got a piece of trim measured and cut. Just gotta nail that in.
broken.
Don't hit it with the hammer.
Why?
Got this pitch trim nailed in. Looks pretty good. Alright, Matt will stay down. We cut the front one, but we're not gonna nail it down yet. We're probably gonna paint that and that piece of wood before we do that one. That'll be later.
We got trim.
Okay, that is it for this video. The floor is done. We are very happy on how it turned out. It feels nice and sturdy, doesn't squeak or anything like that. But this is only one piece of this massive puzzle. And thanks for watching this episode, but stay tuned for the next one. The next episode, we're going to do the ceiling. We're going to insulate it, frame it, throw up some boards. It's going to slowly start looking like a camper van. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it. And also subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down here somewhere. Looks like a bell. I don't think it jingles. And if you're quarantined like me, stuck at home, nothing to do, well, I got plenty of things to do, you can check out one of my other videos where I fix or break things or crash or everything else. But until then, stay safe, have fun, don't do anything I would do. Peace out.